Amanda Mondale. These are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician, band, artist, currently and of all time.
Okay, I've been listening to Cardi B a lot lately.
I'm sorry,
She's
that number 1
everything.
single is everything. Right now, I
Yes.
think it's everything. Now,
Yes.
someone said it was
Or
one of the...
Rihanna.
Rihanna. Someone says that Cardi B, Bodak Yellow, was a first because it was a song that didn't have any conventional structure. So it didn't have a chorus,
Just totally random.
Verse, chorus structure. It was just totally, just straight beat all the way through.
Well, and
No hook.
she's like kind of giving the attitude that guys give out, but girls didn't have like that person, I guess. I'm like, yeah.
What about Missy Elliott?
I love Missy Elliott too.
Wasn't
But
she
I mean,
even a pre?
She hasn't had a lot of music lately.
Nicki Minaj.
I love her too. Yeah,
These
do.
girls have curves.
They do. A lot more than me.
Even more than you.
Yeah.
A lot more.
I like Cardi B more than Nicki Minaj.
Is she cooler?
I think I just like the
Her thing.
sound of it better.
And then for all time. So can we put...
All-time musician.
Yeah. Are we saying, when you say Cardi B, are we being generalist about it? Or are we saying
No, like-
Bodak Yellow, that song?
No, I like the new one. Be Careful.
Okay.
That's a good one.
I'm
That's
sure.
the newest one.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Is it better than Bodak Yellow?
Yeah, or there's one called I Like It, and it's like
It's good.
my workout song right now.
Wicked. Okay. So it's called what? I'm going to put this as favourite song.
Okay, you can say I Like It.
I like
Cardi B.
it. Cardi B. Okay. Album. Her album.
I don't even know the album.
Okay. And for all time.
Oh, that is too hard of a question.
it is very
It's
hard.
quite a mix.
Anyone
on my
that you
phone.
would go back to again and again for spiritual sustenance.
Spiritual?
Enjoyment. What makes you happy? Keeps going back. You keep going.
Music?
Yeah.
I mean, I listened to the Dixie Chicks a lot growing up.
Okay.
Just very
Can we
different.
put the Dixie Chicks?
Sure, why not?
Love that.
I still listen to them.
Fantastic. Back to your roots. Favorite movie recently that you might have seen? And then for all time.
Oh my gosh, I haven't been to a movie in so long.
You don't go to the movies,
The first movie that came to my head was the Titanic.
which
Which
is
a
what,
great
2
movie.
decades? 2
I'm
decades
gonna think
maybe.
of really good answers the second I walk out of here.
Shit, that's a long time ago.
The Titanic, it's just a great movie.
Actually, it's just Titanic.
Oh, it's just Titanic.
There's no the. So do you like Kate
Across
Winslet?
the Universe. I love
Across
that
the
movie.
Universe.
Yeah, I love
about
that
the
one.
Beatles. That again was
It's a
maybe
great
10 years
movie.
ago. That was 10 years.
I'm like
You're not a
in
movie
the
girl.
past.
You live in the past.
I
You're not
mean-
of the time.
No, I don't think
No.
so.
You're between times. You're
Right.
floating around.
I connect with people who are usually a little bit older than
Is that right? Favorite movie of all time now? Titanic.
Maybe
Make it easy.
I keep watching all these series. Like I want to say Stranger Things.
We'll get it onto TV
But
now. That's a television show.
Okay.
It's coming.
Okay.
Movie, favorite movie of all
Okay,
time that
okay.
bears repeat viewing. Like, I don't know,
Oh,
Like the
Bridget
Christmas-
Jones.
Bridget Jones.
Love that movie.
I've got to give Renee Zellweger her props of being able to.
And she lived in my building.
She freaking
in
didn't.
LA.
She didn't.
So I just watched Bridget Jones and I saw her in the elevator and I was like,
You're joking.
oh my god.
What kind
oh
of
my
building
God.
do you live in LA that you
It's
was?
a very nice one.
It's a bloody
Yeah,
nice
right
one.
on the beach, yeah.
It isn't.
Yeah, I mean,
You've
I
got
know
it
she
going on.
probably just goes there to
Oh yeah.
film or something.
Oh right.
She's
So
only
her
there
little
sometimes.
apartment while she's in town.
Yeah.
She nailed a British woman.
Yeah. I mean, I thought she was British growing up.
You did.
Yeah.
So you hadn't seen Jerry Maguire.
Not until recently.
I like that movie.
Great movie.
She's great in it.
You had me at hello.
And Tom's really good in it.
Yes.
He's a
Handsome.
controversial figure. Very handsome and charismatic.
Yeah. Maybe not anymore, but
Well, the Scientology
Yeah,
thing is
it's kind
weird.
of hard
It
to
was
get
weird.
with.
And the whole Oprah sit-down, all
yeah,
that thing.
I remember that.
Do you remember it? Okay, so it's not going to be your favourite actor. Who is your favourite actor?
I don't even know.
You don't
Like,
go to cinema because you like Brad Pitt or Leonardo DiCaprio, or you wouldn't go to their movies because
I
they're
mean,
in them.
Yeah, I think Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yes?
Always, whenever he's in a movie, I'm like, that's going to be a good movie.
Okay.
So-
Should we put Leo down?
Sure.
Actress. Same deal.
Maybe
You want a little extra thing because
'cause-
she's in it.
I'm thinking of if I like their movie or I like them as a person.
Okay. Not as a person.
Oh, okay.
As an actor. So they're playing other people. Or as a person, who fucking cares?
Like I loved Brie Larson.
You did?
in Room.
Wow.
I was like,
Is that
wow,
right?
maybe I should try acting because that was
Wow.
amazing. I think
Interesting.
she's a really good actress.
Wow. Would you put her over Jennifer Lawrence? Because Brie has
think
really,
they're different.
she hasn't broken out really
Yeah.
yet, has she? I mean, that was a big deal to get an Oscar. I agree, but
Yes.
also it's a double-edged sword because she got
She could do more.
supporting actress, and that is the kiss of death for
Is
anyone.
it?
Yes, the supporting
Oh.
actors always disappear.
Oh no.
Yeah. Well,
Let's hope she doesn't.
There's
I
a
don't think
trend
she will.
for that.
I just really like
Do you
her.
think she's here to stay? She's good looking too, Brie.
Yeah.
But not.
She's, like,
but her
real.
beauty doesn't get in the way
She's a real girl.
of being able to play good parts. Favorite model? Is it Emily Didinado?
Giselle.
Giselle
Giselle.
Bundchen.
She's just freaking gorgeous.
She's great, you know, and she owned it.
Have you met her?
No, I haven't met Giselle, but I have been told that Giselle, by stylists, that Giselle is almost a perfect specimen.
like
And this
her
was
body.
a bit more back in the day. This was maybe
Yeah.
10, 15, 20 years ago, even maybe at her peak and prime, that
Yeah.
every little
Every
bit
part
of
of
her
her.
toe and everything was sort of
Photogenic.
perfection kind of thing. So
I mean, she still is.
she
I
knows
heard
how to
she
take a picture.
remembers everyone's name on set,
Yes.
and she's just like,
Born to do that. Yeah, born
and
to
she
do it.
loves yoga, and she's very spiritual and everything.
Do you like Tom Brady? Do you fancy her husband?
I used to, but since I saw the "Make America Great Again" hat
Yeah?
in the background
The Trump thing
in his
ruined it for
football locker,
you. Yeah. Done.
done.
One hat done.
Just that's all it takes.
Red card.
Bye.
He's off the
Sorry.
field. Yeah.
I don't
Favorite.
get too political.
Okay. Yes. Favorite designer. It runs in the family. You can't. You couldn't help yourself.
I can't help it. Favorite designer?
Someone.
Maybe Zadig and Voltaire.
You would
because
wear
they
their
put
clothes.
me in their show.
That's
I'm
nice.
actually wearing a jacket from them.
Wicked.
Yeah.
We didn't show
I
that in
got
the other
some
one.
cute boots. Yeah.
Okay. Was that freebies?
No.
You had to pay.
I just got it. Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic.
I wish it was free.
Favorite accessories. Let's get into these little details now. Shoes, bags, sunglasses.
I mean, I always buy Ray-Bans because
Yeah, it's an
I
American
just think
classic,
they're classic.
and they look good.
Shoes. I don't know where I usually get my shoes. Kind of
They
random.
can be sports shoes if you like.
I've got some Rag & Bone boots.
You do?
I love Rag & Bone pretty much.
Okay,
all
let's
of it.
put that under bags.
Bags. I got a little Celine bag
Celine,
here.
is that doing it for you?
Yeah, it's a little fancy for me.
Yeah.
I feel like it doesn't. I don't know.
You're not
I'm
owning
still-
your Celine.
Still searching for like
You are.
my bag. Yeah.
Okay, you haven't found it yet.
Only one bag a year.
Okay,
that's
I love
my
that.
rule.
You're frugal.
Like I want to buy a house.
That's pure Minnesota there. You're not splurging on unnecessary shit.
No.
No.
Maybe sometimes, but
Sometimes. Okay, that's good.
more like on
Balance.
food.
Yes?
Yeah.
We'll get to that in a minute. Favorite, we did the shoes. Makeup.
Makeup. I like all the YSL
Yes?
stuff.
And you'll do the beauty campaign as well.
I would love to.
Perfume. Did you find your perfume?
I switch it up all the time. I wear Chloe or
Which one?
Or another Chloe one.
Okay, give me both names on the bottle.
Chloe Love Story or
Yep.
just like the classic. I don't.
Is there just a Chloe?
Yeah, it's.
Chloe Parfum.
I guess so.
Okay.
It's like the main one.
Is that-
I've been wearing it forever. Yeah.
You like it?
Or Stella McCartney. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, like.
Oh, Phoebe Philo.
got a-
Phoebe versus Stella.
I guess
Who wins?
So. I don't know.
In the battle between those two designers. Stella McCartney versus Phoebe Philo. You don't know, you don't care.
don't
You
know.
just like the way their perfume smell.
I like. I like the perfume.
Okay, favourite shop, store, as you say here.
For clothes.
Or anything. It can be for hockey gear.
Okay, I love Target. Every
Target.
time I go into Target, I get really excited.
That's got to be good.
To be honest.
I love that. And there's
Immediately I
food there
thought,
too if you
Target.
fancy food. Target.
I probably
for
wouldn't
everything.
eat the food in there.
No?
No, I used to, but
Okay. Love that. Okay, online? Do you shop online? And if so, what?
I don't really trust online.
You don't? So you don't do Amazon and eBay?
I just got an Amazon account.
Okay, Amazon Prime's good. I like it.
Yeah, I haven't gotten Prime yet.
I love Amazon. You don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah.
To the door. Favorite city place to live?
Yeah, Minnesota or California.
Minnesota home?
Hell yeah.
Minneapolis?
Minnesota is so underrated.
Is
and
it?
I don't even want people to know how amazing it is.
Is it very
Yeah.
beautiful?
It's really cold in the winter, obviously.
too cold.
It's too cold, but like a lot of people who don't have kids spend the winter somewhere else. Like my mom goes to Miami. It's just clean, nice.
Nice
People are so kind. You can have a big house.
Wicked. Would you go back to Minnesota? Can you see yourself moving back to Minnesota?
Maybe in a long time.
Are you broody? Are you a broody person? Do you want them?
Me? Do
or
I
not?
want a kid?
You don't look as if you do.
Not anytime soon, no.
Okay.
No.
There's no clock ticking.
I don't even know any kids. I don't know how to talk to them.
Is that right?
Like I'm like, what are they?
Are you weird with
how
kids?
How old is that kid? Are they 5?
Right.
Are they 11? I have no idea.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
But
Not yet, no.
I'd like
As and
to
when.
be an
As
aunt
and
or
when,
something.
yeah. A what?
Like if my brother or sister had kids.
Oh,
I'd
yes.
be so happy.
Great, you can spoil. You'd be the
not
best
for me.
aunt.
Yeah.
But not for you. You're actually going a step further and
I have
saying,
too
mate,
much that I want to do
you're
right now.
literally saying, if you weren't to have kids, it wouldn't be the end of you.
No, if everything was right situation, right time, maybe.
Anything.
Yeah.
Anything goes.
Who knows?
Who knows what will happen? I bet you are going to have kids, though. I hope you do.
Probably.
I hope you do. It's great.
I know, I'm just not ready. I have 2 dogs, and I'm like...
Do you?
Oof, it's hard sometimes.
Shit, what breeds?
I have a Chihuahua.
We're going to get there. This is your favourite pet animal.
Okay.
The Chihuahua is your favourite pet animal. Or not?
They actually lied to me, told me that she was not a Chihuahua at the shelter.
You
but
didn't
she's
know.
definitely a Chihuahua. I just was
You
like
didn't
blinded
want
by
to
love.
you didn't want a Chihuahua.
I just want to save her.
You didn't.
No, because
care.
they bark a lot.
They're snappy.
So,
Is she?
yeah, she barks a lot,
Oh,
but
wow.
I love her. And then I have like a Maltese terrier.
What's her name? And
Lola and Coco.
Lola and Coco. They're
Coconut.
both girls. Mm-hmm. Cute. So cute.
They're kind of the rugged ones.
Are they?
So that's why I chose
You want
them.
dogs. If you like dogs, you're going to get...
I can't
You'll be
imagine
good
not
with
having
kids.
a dog.
You'll be good with kids.
Yeah, and I'd be so sad here without them.
You're on the way to... You're halfway there with a dog.
I don't know. 'Cause you can't put a kid like in a crate and like leave for a couple hours.
That's true. Babysitting, childcare, school.
It just sounds
It's called school.
expensive. Yeah.
It's called education.
Not there yet.
Okay. Favorite exercise? Food. Well, before that, no. I'm really skipping. Favorite restaurant?
Favorite restaurant? Ooh.
Anywhere in the world.
I love, oh my god, I can't even remember the name of it now.
Where
The
is it?
vegetarian one in Soho. Butcher's Daughter.
I don't know
that's
it.
like super trendy of me to say.
Is it?
But I really like
Are you a
the food
veggie?
there. Yeah.
You're a
But it's
vegetarian?
vegetarian, yeah.
You're a vegetarian. How long have you been so?
It's been maybe 3 years.
Vegan?
I tried
Raw?
multiple times. No, I couldn't. There's
What?
no way I
Okay.
could be a raw vegan.
No way.
Especially in the winter.
Exactly. No way.
No way.
No way. Favorite holiday destination? Best hotel that you might have stayed at on holiday as well?
So not for work.
Could be anything.
I got to go to the Maldives.
Tell me about it.
For work.
Yep.
And I had
Were you
my
in a
own
swim?
villa.
Were you in a swimwear?
No. It was an editorial
Wow.
for Cosmopolitan
Is that right? You were in
London.
beachy
through
clothes.
London.
You were in beachy wear.
It was definitely beachy, but no swim.
Wow.
And it was just the most beautiful place I've ever.
Wow.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
I just photographed for Elle Hailey Baldwin, who's a sort of it
Is she?
girl now.
I've
She's
seen her.
round, dancer, not super skinny, sexy. What it girl? Yeah, I can see it. You're not many miles away.
We just need famous
Get some famous
Really?
friends, for fuck's sake. You've got the family, get the friends. Come on.
Yeah.
Favourite holiday destination? Oh, we did that. Oh, no, we didn't. It was the Maldives.
The
no.
Maldives or...
The hotel you were going to talk to me about, right?
I don't even know.
You
I can't
didn't
remember
care.
the hotel, but
you
it
loved
was
the Maldives.
like the resort always takes up the whole island.
Oh, wow. It was amazing?
Just gorgeous,
It
yeah.
was gorgeous.
You should go before it's gone.
Oh, is it going
It's
underwater?
literally- Yeah.
Okay, I will. I've been to the Seychelles. That was very beautiful
Yeah.
too.
Anywhere tropical.
You like that? Like mangoes?
Like the food?
Yeah, to eat a mango. You're not a mango girl.
No, I don't like pineapple either.
Are you joking?
I know.
You're not a
I'm
tropical.
a weird person, for sure.
That's weird that you don't like mangoes.
I know.
The king of the fruits.
They just don't
That's
do
strange.
it for me. I don't
That's
know.
weird. What fruit does?
I like watermelon.
Okay.
I eat oranges like every day.
Okay.
It's good for your skin.
Right. Absolutely. Favorite exercise? Okay. How
None
do you?
at all. I'm just kidding.
What do you do?
Yoga's nice, but I don't even really count that as a workout.
As a sportswoman, ex-sportswoman, are you not running and doing weights and shit every day? No.
Well, my knees are really messed up from hockey, so I can't really
Is that right?
run very much. I do more of the elliptical.
Okay.
Um,
You don't have a daily routine?
I kind of like, I'll do legs one day, upper body the next day, maybe take a break, or the next day do whole body. Yeah, kind of gym stuff.
Gym. You go to the gym.
Yeah.
Favorite animal? It's not necessarily
Favorite
a dog.
animal?
It's not necessarily
I
Coco
mean-
and
I love dogs.
Lola.
It's dogs.
It's dogs, isn't it? They're the ultimate.
They're the best.
They are the best.
They just love you.
You look a bit like Ava Herzegova, Dad.
I don't know who that is.
Jesus. Of the 90s and 2000s, up there.
I get a lot of 90s
Do you?
references, yeah.
You looked a bit like Ava. Favorite social media? Has to be.
Account?
Whatever.
Okay.
No.
Again.
What that you do.
Favorite thing that I do on social media?
No, which is your favorite social media platform?
Oh, I only have
One.
Instagram.
It's
Yeah.
only
I
Instagram.
don't have Twitter or Snapchat.
You don't have Facebook
or,
for your family.
Yeah, I have Facebook, but I'm thinking about deleting it now.
Are you? Because of all the controversy surrounding your
and I
personal
don't really
data.
Use it. Yeah.
And
Just
I
my
wonder,
grandma.
Yeah? Would you?
My
what?
grandparents are on it, so they
Yeah.
can see my modeling stuff through there because they
That's right.
can't understand Instagram.
So you're going to persevere for the sake of your grandparents.
Yeah, but I've already taken down pretty much all of
Oh, wow.
my information and stuff.
Okay, so maybe email them the pictures.
But they own Instagram, don't they?
Who do?
Facebook?
Yes, they do.
So they can just, I mean, they're already in our
Oh,
phones.
yes.
It's kind of too late.
It's too late. You're fucked.
Yeah. I don't know.
That was fantastic. Amanda.
I do okay.
Amanda Mondale, those were your favourite things. Thank you so much. Thanks
you.
again. You were wicked.